Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pause and record videos on your iPhones. Unfortunately, this option is not available through the normal iPhone camera application. We will have to use a third-party application to do this. Now, the third-party application I'm going to be showing you guys today is just called VideoCam Plus. So if you guys just go ahead to your app store and just search for VideoCam Plus, pause and record, or just search VideoCam Plus, you will see this application right here. This is the one you guys have to download. So just go ahead and download that, and I'll show you guys how to use it. And once it's done downloading and installing, you can go click on it to open it up. It might give you a brief little tutorial, but you can just click through that if you want to just listen to me explain it to you. Or, of course, you can go ahead and listen and read what they're saying to you to teach you how to use this application. But I'll just give you guys a quick run through. Now, the top left corner, you see the settings right there to access your settings for the application. And then over to your right, you'll see the time card. So that's just going to be the length of the video that you've recorded so far. And then if we move on to the right, you will see the LED flash there if you want to turn on your flash, and then the camera swap to go from the front to the back cameras. And of course, right under that is your zoom. It's just a click and drag to zoom. Very, very simple. Now, to start recording your video, you just want to click on the red record button at the bottom, and then you will see the little recording button beside your timestamp. Now, to pause the video, all you have to do is click on the stop button on the record, and then you will see a little pause icon right beside your time card. Now, if you want to discard this video at this point, you can click on the X button right beside the record button, or if you want to continue on with this point and save this video to your camera roll, you can go ahead and click on the arrow. But for most of you guys, you probably want to learn how to continue on this video. Now, to do that, all you have to do is continue by clicking on the record button, and you will see the video will continue from the point that you were at before. Now, once you're done recording your second portion to the video, you can go ahead and click stop, and then you can move on and save the video by clicking on the little arrow, the record button. It will then bring you to this portion right here where I'll show you like a quick preview of the videos that you have on here. So I'll show you that you have 2 clips. As you see just under the little chart there, it says 1 out of 2 and then 2 out of 2. Once you confirm those are the clips that you want and they're good, you can go ahead and click on the arrow in the top right and then just click on Save to Photos. It will then show us our 2 segments right here, how long they are. If that is okay, again, you can just click on the little arrow where it says 2 segments. And then it'll just let us know there's going to be a watermark on there. Just click on OK. And then it'll start to save to our photos. Once that's done, we can just head over to our photos, and then we will see our video right there, which is just right here, and then it's been completed. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this. If this video did help you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.